What is going on, guys? This is going to be a very short video. Last week I made a clip about how to grow green onions in water versus soil, and I gave you a 1 week update. Now I want to show you another update, and please do not grow green onions like this. So here are 6 green onions that I planted at the same time, 3 in soil and 3 in a cup of water. I changed the water out every day on this one. I harvested this one time, and just look at the difference now. This thing is getting disgusting. It is rotting. It smells really, really bad. Whereas the one grown in soil, it looks so much healthier. The green onions are so stiff and strong, whereas this one is basically rotting away and it is so nasty. So if you do want some longevity in your green onions, I highly recommend just only growing it in soil. Do not grow it in water, guys. Another testimony I have for growing green onions in soil are these right here. These were planted last year in the summer. I left them alone. They died over the winter and they are already back. I've harvested them twice already. Just look at the quality of this thing. Look how strong it is. Man, much better quality. So that's my recommendation for growing green onions right there. I had to share this little update, guys. This is just so nasty. Do not grow it in water. You know, it might be cute putting it onto your kitchen counter for a little decoration, but it's gonna smell. You're gonna have to change the water all the time. Just grow it in soil, set it and forget it, and you'll have some beautiful green onions to have all summer long.